My research looks at thermal tolerance in humans, or even I look at environmental stress, so whatever that is. Heat stress and cold stress are the two primary ones. And basically what I do is I push people to their limits and I measure what's going on in their bodies to try and understand how a healthy person responds to physical stress. So for this protocol, we have Tom in the spa. We're measuring blood pressure in real time. We're measuring the gases that he's breathing out, as well as how much air he's breathing out. These go through PowerLab and into LabChart Lightning. So far, the custom calculations that I've used are just pulling the systolic and the diastolic blood pressure from your raw channel and having them presented within one row or one recording in LabChart Lightning. So what we're doing here is we're trying to pick out these peaks on our blood pressure trace, because that's Tom's systolic blood pressure. So the nice thing about this customized channel is that you can detect the peaks similar to what you would do in LabChart, except that the signal is going to be overlaid on top of our raw channel. And it's quite customizable, so you can kind of tinker around with this and get different things that you might not have thought you could ever get. So just from this channel, I could pick out 3 different variables that are all going to sit on top of this, which is quite nice. So now if you look at this down here, we're getting a raw blood pressure trace, and then this blue line, which is on top, is just picking out his systolic blood pressure. And then if I add that to my calculation, you can see it here. We're just picking out the systolic peaks, and then we'll get that data in real time so we can monitor systolic blood pressure without cluttering up all of our channels. For someone who's not good at coding or even software in general, I think it's been quite helpful. It's very intuitive, just copying and pasting and dragging. So it's really handy for people who aren't so technologically efficient.